Good day. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a relationship in Power BI. The first is open Power BI application and select data. We will open the Excel workbook input. Input the data was provided to us. Click open. You will see we have 3 sheets on the file and we have to check all the boxes. And click load to see. The data is already there. Click the table view and you see the data is already there. Now, I will demonstrate how to create relationship. The first step is creating relationship between Apocalypse Sales to Apocalypse Store. When connecting the product, so we need to click the report view and then look for modeling view tab. By clicking modeling tab, you will see the manage relationship on the left part. Click it and you see the relationship. In creating relationship, click the relationship, then you will see we need to select tables and columns that are related. In the task, we need to connect Apocalypse Sales to Apocalypse Store. In the From tab, we put the Apocalypse Sale. In the To tab, we put Apocalypse Store. And then we need to connecting their product ID. So when connecting product ID, we need to click the product ID of Apocalypse Sale and product ID of Apocalypse Store. We already create relationship between Apocalypse Sales and Apocalypse Store. If you want to see and check the table, just click Model View and you will see the creating relationship between Apocalypse Sales and Apocalypse Store using their product ID. My next task is creating relationship between customer information and Apocalypse Sale. When connecting the customer, we need to look for modeling tab again and click it. You will see the manage relationship and click it. And you see the relationship. In creating new relationship, we need to select tables and columns that are related, which in this case is the customers. My task, I need to connecting customer information to Apocalypse Sales. In the From tab or From table, we put the customer information, and in the To table, we put Apocalypse Sales. Then click customer and name under customer information, and also click the customer under the Apocalypse Sales, then save. And now we already create the new relationship. If you want to check and see the table, just click the model view and you'll see we create a relationship between customer information and Apocalypse Sales. That's all, and thank you.